and thanks everybody who's joined us this morning. The policy breakfast really represents a big kickoff for the year, but there's a lot of other really interesting and engaging events that will follow the policy breakfast. And as Bob noted, I think that we've determined that the policy breakfast is the predictor of the weather for the rest of the winter, so we're in pretty good shape. And I think that we've also validated that it's a little bit more predictive than the groundhog in Pennsylvania. So thanks to those who control the weather. So today's topic of innovation and the ability to transform healthcare could not be more timely or more important. As we heard Governor Baker say last night in the State of the Commonwealth address, Bloomberg has named Massachusetts again the most innovative state in the United States. Our business communities, many of them are innovation-based, but none more than the unparalleled life science industry that we're all a part of. The role that innovative therapies play in transformation of healthcare in general has become more important and more notable every year. The value that novel therapeutics brings to patients, providers, and payers is a key concept that we must keep front and center as a driving force for all that we do. Unfortunately, we're starting the new year with a high level of uncertainty that is really not very optimal. We're not sure where healthcare policy is going to end up, and we're equally unsure about how the financial markets are going to respond to this uncertainty. But one thing that we can be sure of, and that is that the goal of our life sciences industry has not changed. We are still committed to improving health and to discovering and developing novel therapeutics to change the lives of patients around the world. Our ecosystem is truly one of a kind and the best in the world for fostering innovation to benefit our patients. Our universities, institutions, hospitals, biotechnology companies, pharmaceutical companies, financial industry, and support services synergize to create something that just cannot be created elsewhere. Small biotech companies are really central to that innovation ecosystem. We are taking the incredible innovation out of our academic institutions and translating them into transformative therapies that help create value for patients and for the biotechnology companies and our pharmaceutical partners. We cannot let the current policy uncertainty weaken the strength of our early stage companies by weakening the confidence that investors and innovators have in the ability to recognize the value that the novel therapies that come out of our companies create. We cannot let the uncertainty undercut what the biotech cluster can do for patients, partners, and for the Commonwealth. So what can we all do? We can continue to educate. We can help everyone understand what we do and why we do it the way we do. We can work to achieve constructive levels of clarity about our business and insist that others in healthcare do the same. And hopefully we can ensure that our innovation culture is not smothered by the lack of understanding. Our industry is committed to being a part of the solution. We are working together, patients, providers, regulators, payers, and policymakers, to make sure that we can continue to lead the effort in bringing forward preventative therapies, treatments, and yes, even cures. We all need to work together, think outside the box, and develop a common message around how our industry works, the value it creates, and the lives it can change. Please take this as a call to action. We will be engaging other industry organizations, and we ask all of you to engage with MassBio. To borrow a theme from the fall, we are truly stronger together. We look forward to working with everybody on the important issues that face us in 2017 and hope that you enjoy the program. Thank you.